Hey everyone, welcome to today's Refurb Wednesdays. We've just taken the keys for this HMO conversion. We're converting it to a 6-bedroom HMO, all with en suites as well. Let's jump inside and have a look at the property, just as we've started the refurbishment now. Okay, so we've just started the strip out, so phase 1 of the build. So this is about stripping out the whole property, making sure we're getting ready so we can get it ready for first fix, electrics, plumbing, joining, etc. So to the left here, this is going to be a bedroom with an ensuite. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be obviously putting the ensuite roughly around about here. So we'll potentially be taking out the chimney stack, so open up more space, but really we don't really have to. There's enough space in here that we'll be able to get a good sized double bedroom in here with an ensuite comfortably. So coming through here, what we are going to be doing, this is going to be your communal area, so communal space down here, okay? And then also, this is going to be your kitchen area in here. So it'll be kitchen, communal, nice and open space, and it'll just work nice and well down here as well. Now there's one thing that we have got, which is an advantage down here. We do have a basement, and there's also natural light down there as well, okay? So we'll go down there in a second and we'll check that out. So let's jump down there now. Okay, so we are in the basement at the moment. What we are going to be doing in here is we're actually going to convert this down to a bedroom down here. Okay, so we've got natural light over here. So we're going to have French doors open here and stairs going out there as well. Okay, and this is going to be a bedroom with an ensuite down here. All right, and it's going to be really, really big. So the only issue that we've got here currently at the moment, you'll notice, is head height. Okay, so building regulations, we have to have at least 2.4 meters in head space height. So we've spoken to building regs, we've had them come on site. What we're going to have to do is obviously dig down first, and then obviously we're going to have to make sure that we dig it far enough so we've got the net head height space of 2.4 meters. And then what we are going to have to do is obviously make sure that we've got to watertight the basement as well. So put the relevant watertight stuff in the basement. And we have to make sure that we've got this place spick and span, because the last thing we want to be doing is having water penetration down here. So we have to make sure it's absolutely tight so we don't get any damage as well. So obviously we're going through working tightly with building regs to be able to do that. So we've got the right specification, but we're gonna have to start digging this part of the strip out as well to get to the right height. Let's go upstairs, check out the rest of the property. Okay, so we're in the current bathroom at the moment. Okay, so what we'll be doing on this is converted to obviously a off suite in here. Coming into here, we've got bedroom number 3. Okay, so that bathroom over there will be the off suite to this bedroom. Now we don't actually lose any rental income off it because it's got its own key to the actual bathroom. So some tenants actually prefer it, which is great. What you'll notice, we've ripped out all the obviously joinery. Also we've ripped out all the door casings as well. So we'll put new door casings in, new skirting, stripped all the wallpaper's still got to strip off in this room, but the rest of the property is pretty much done as well. So we've taken out the old electric heating. Has got gas to the property, which is great. So we're going to put a full new gas central heating system in, just like we do for any other property. Okay. So now looking at obviously this room, we've taken out, again, everything's all stripped out. This is what it should look like when it's finished. We will be taking out this fireplace as well. Sometimes we try and keep the original features, but in this case, we're not going to be doing that. So coming upstairs now. So on the 3rd floor now, we're going to have 2 bedrooms with 2 en suites. All right. So this bedroom up here, again, it's going to be bedroom. We're going to break into the bedroom next door. So the ensuite will start roughly about here. So we'll have the entry of it, and it'll go into next door's room there. So we don't take any space from this room. Chimney stack will probably be coming out as well, so we can create that extra space in here. Now, one thing we have noticed when we took over the property, stripped off the wallpaper, what you'll notice is a massive amount of blemishing on the wall, and basically the plaster is blown. What's this caused by is because the house next door is actually 2 stories rather than 3, and the render on the external of the property is actually blown, and water penetration over years has been going through, and it's made the plaster internally weak. So it's obviously blown, and we're having to obviously re-render this external of the wall, so we don't get any further water penetration up there, okay? So somebody who says, oh, I've got damp at the top of my property, you can never have damp at the top of a property. It's normally water penetration, and that's normally caused by leaking baths or showers, or leaking gutters, and in this case, blown render externally. Water gets into the cracks and gets through from there, so that's going to have to get sorted from there. Coming through here, so obviously the final bedroom, bedroom number 6. So as I said, we'll come into this bedroom, we'll take obviously an ensuite in here, and obviously we'll build an ensuite across as well. So the chimney stack will have to come out, and we'll have an ensuite across here. So similar to one of our 6 bedrooms that we've done beforehand. If you haven't seen that before, make sure you click on the link in the description below, or click here, and you'll be able to see that 6-bedroom HMO as well finished on how that looks. So pretty much the ensuite will be like here, which will be a nice double-sized bedroom in here as well, okay? Now, if you guys want to profit from UK property, you simply just don't have the time to do it. You've got the capital there to be able to invest in UK property, but you want a fixed return, so you can get the same return every single year, year on year, predictable. Then head to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team, and we can help you assist and get started on your property journey completely hands off. Otherwise, send me a personal message via Instagram, and that's property Nic Clark, and you'll be able to, we can hook up a call and see how we can help you moving forward. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in next week's Refurb Wednesdays. Thanks for watching.